The restaurant industry represents 15% of Mexico's GDP. While the restaurant industry has been revolutionized by the delivery services, the actual experience of eating inside the restaurant has been left behind. People have to still go through the same exact, lengthy and inefficient process of eating in the restaurant than they did 10 years ago. The main issue is that workers only have 1 hour of free time to go have lunch during the weekdays. Unfortunately, the process of eating at restaurants usually takes a longer time, especially when they go in big groups. And this has obligated people to substitute restaurant with faster options. 85% of the orders made through delivery applications are made at night or during the weekends, which means that the clients who use these services usually are at their home when they use it. Therefore, there hasn't been a product that has penetrated the market of lunch meals during weekdays, which is at least twice bigger than the delivery service market. The clear solution to the problem is Eat and Go, an application that streamlines the process of eating at restaurants by allowing its users to pre-order their meals, reserve a table at the time they wish, and pay in advance with a credit card. This way, when the client arrives to the restaurant, their food will be served immediately, and then they may leave whenever they wish since the bill is already paid. The restaurant industry in Mexico has a 4.5% growth rate. We define our total addressable market as all the people that will use our app in any given situation, filtered by age groups and social economic classes. Considering all these factors, our addressable market is composed of approximately 27 million people. If they use our application at least once a month and spend an average ticket price of 150 pesos, while we charge our usual transaction fee of 15% per transaction order, we would generate 7 billion pesos of revenue in a year.
Our potential market consists of people that want to speed up the process of eating at a restaurant. It is mainly integrated by people that are in a hurry or have limited time, which can be segmented into office workers, students, tourists, and families. Our differentiator to other services is that while reservation and delivery apps provide comfort and convenience, Eat and Go delivers efficiency and quickness when eating at a restaurant. We are the first real players in the Mexican market to enter the pre-order services. We have been able to create strategic alliances with corporate offices, and our configuration for admin is easy to implement and escalate in different locations in Mexico. Our unfair advantage is that we have great connections with restaurant groups in Mexico, and we already have letters of commitments from them to start pilot tests in their restaurants. In approximately 5 months, we have registered 650 downloads for iOS and Android. Additionally, we have about 40 restaurants affiliated to our platform, and we have letter of intentions from some of the biggest restaurant group chains in Mexico to enter a pilot test with our app. We have a participation agreement with big corporate offices near our restaurants. We have an 18% growth rate for restaurant affiliation, 5% growth rate for users, and 7% of our users are considered active.